Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Is and you're welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare this very delicious and sweet sauce. And if you want to know, keep on watching to the very end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. These are my peppers and all that I'll be using, but there's no garlic and ginger there. I will add it in powder later. So I've washed here and then I will just blend. After blending, then I'm doing this because I want the water to sieve out before my meat finish cooking. This is it. You see that? So I want my water. We don't really need that water. Look at it for the sauce, okay? And here is my meat cooking here. Here I have ring, as a body, shaki, cow leg, beef. All the meat is right here, okay? Keep on watching, okay? Here is my egg boiling, which I'll be using too. And also my meat has been cooked. I will just go ahead and fry them. You must fry them with the same oil that you are going to use to make this sauce, so that you have that beautiful and sweet flavor. That is my locust beans. Just add my locust beans to the sauce. Then I will stir it. Then I add my onions. Then I will stir again. Okay. So after stirring, that aroma that comes out of onions, just something. And here is my bay pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. You see that the water is already at very good like this, so that you don't waste all your time waiting for it to dry up. So now I'm going to add my seasoning cube. I'm using this Knorr seasoning cube. I've not used Knorr in a while. I've missed Knorr, you know. we normally use Knorr back then in Nigeria. Yeah, look at it. Just take a good look at this sauce. It's very fine. And here is my ginger powder. Remember, I did not blend ginger powder with this sauce, so I'm going to add my ginger powder. Yeah. So guys, then I will also add my garlic powder. If you're in Italy, you know what is aglio and zenzero. Yeah. So after adding all these things, then I will just stir it together, okay? Stir and stir. Then I will just leave it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I transfer my meat into it. That is what I'm doing right there. After transferring my meat, I will just stir. Then I will just transfer everything: meat, fish, and eggs. Keep on watching, guys. So I've had everything, then I will stay and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. This is it. After 5 minutes, you see that it has been cooked and it looks so delicious and it smells so good. Everywhere in my kitchen is setty. If you enjoy watching this video and you'll be giving this sauce a try, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and please also leave your opinion in the comment section down below. Okay, see you all in my next video. Bye.